Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share a whole bunch of really fun pillows. All of the patterns are free. None of these are actually my patterns, but I've sewn all these pillows. And this video was prompted by a video we did a few weeks ago where I did share a lot of the free pillow patterns that are available on my site. And I thought that you might also want to see some of my favorites that are available in other places. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with this pillow. This is actually a free pattern from Nana Company, or Amy Sinibaldi, if you know, are familiar with her business. She shared this pillow quite a long time ago, and I fell in love with it. It uses just a mini charm pack, and then she has a little embroidery that you can copy, and it says, "All is calm, all is bright, Merry Christmas to you." And I made this soon after she shared this pattern. It's always been one of my favorites. I added the little pom-pom trim, and I just did an envelope pillow back, and I love this. I've used it every Christmas since then. And again, it's a free PDF download on her site. Now, after I made this one, I thought I've got to make more of these for the other seasons. And so a few years later, I did the same thing, but I used a favorite Mother Teresa quote of mine, "Do small things with great love." And this is an older Sweetwater Valentine's collection, and I just used the gray, it's a linen type fabric to do my stitchery on. And again, really love this one. By this time I was starting to do the zipper flap closures in the back, and really love this one as well. It just works for anything you want to do. Then a couple years later, and this is a collection by Corey Yoder, I used a favorite quote, "Life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall." And I did this one with that Corey Yoder fabric and used the traditional linen. And again, zipper, flat back. But anyway, both of these additional embroidery sayings I have on my website that you can download the font. I actually think I found the same font that Amy had used and typed these up in the same size and in the same font. So you have to get the pillow pattern from Amy's website, but I do have these other quotes available on my website that you can go to and download those. So just a really fun option. I've actually never made this pillow in one of our fabric collections, so that is on my list. I really think I'm going to be redoing this one in poinsettia and pear, and probably this one in birch and willow. And I actually have a plan for a fourth one that I will be making later this spring. So watch for that and for another quote option to have. Okay, I'm going to move these out of the way. This next pillow is probably one of the most recent holiday pillows I've made. This is a free pattern from Beverly at Flamingo Toes, and it was super fun. I did use our fabrics for this one. I used all different oranges for the pumpkin and the lighter gray for the stem and the leaf, and this outer border was from our Emma collection. My backing is from the Emma collection. This is a really big pillow. And the one fabric on here that is not ours is this Magic Dot fabric, and that's a Lella Boutique fabric. And I just thought it just really had kind of some fallish colors and would kind of tie all of my prints from a variety of different collections in together. So again, this is a free pillow from Bev at Flamingo Toes. I'll link to it. She also has another fall pillow that's free, and I believe she has a couple Christmas ones, and they're all the same size. So you could take the pillow out and you could, use the two fall pillows and then just put the pillow covers in a drawer and use those pillows again for her Christmas versions. So I'll link all of those. I haven't actually made her Christmas versions yet, but they're very cute, and I do have a friend who's made them. Okay, next on the list are these 4 patterns. These are all free from Moda, And I believe they were all designed by Carrie Nelson when she was working for Moda. And I've made all of them with Minnick & Simpson fabrics. Just have really, really loved these. And just all sorts of fun combinations that Carrie came up with. This one has stripes with the 3 stars in the middle. And I just love this one. And I really did. Some of these are quite older Minnick & Simpson fabrics that I used. Zipper pillow back for this one. And again, we will link to where you can find all of these. This is a longer one with longer stripes and just 1 star in the corner. I did a flap back on this one. I don't know, it was kind of hard getting the pillow in here. I think if I had a long zipper, I might have, if I were doing this again, I would probably do a zipper on the back because if I remember right, this was kind of hard to stuff this one in. But another really cute version. And again, I get asked about these all the time. People see them on my website and they want to know where their patterns are. So it will be really nice to have this video and this blog post so that I can just kind of reference where all of these patterns are on one page. Okay, another one. And this one has the 5 vertical stars and then the horizontal stripes. Just some really fun, there are so many things you can do with stars and stripes. And again, this print actually, I think is a Lello Boutique print that I mixed with the Minnick & Simpson. I'm trying to see. I'm not sure, actually. Maybe it was a Minnick & Simpson. They have so many fabrics. But anyway, another fun option. And then last, but definitely not least, is another one with 3 stars, just like this one has the 3 stars going horizontally. This one has the 3 stars vertically and the bigger stripes. And again, I just quilted all of these on my own. I did the wavy quilting on my Janome for this one, and then the others I just did straight line quilting. And you don't even need a lot of quilting to make these look really special, but whatever you can do. And then I think I probably copied Carrie on this one and did the narrower lines going vertically with these stars. But so many options, and again, all of the patterns that I've shown today are free PDF downloads, and they will keep you busy for a lot of your seasonal pillow making. Okay, so that's it for the pillow roundup for today. Again, these are all free patterns. We will link them all in the description below, and I hope that you'll have fun making one or more of them. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.